Hey y'all, welcome back. Let's take a look at this Virginia Boys Kitchens 11 by 17 dark walnut cutting board. This was sent to me for a review, so we're going to overlook it and see what we've got here. First off in the box, your warranty card and care and maintenance guide. And of course you got the beautiful walnut cutting board. Pre-oiled from the factory, but you'll need to keep adding some oil till it soaks in really good. That'll go over in the maintenance section in a second anyway. First impression on this board, being a woodworker myself and I've made a few cutting boards, the glue joints. Obviously you don't always get a piece of wood that's 100% as wide as you need it, so you'll need to glue it up. When you got a cutting board, the glue joints show up, they stand out in the front of the show. These glue joints are tight, no gaps, and they look very well done. Smooth all the way across. You got a laser engraved logo, Virginia Boys Kitchens, made in the USA, which this board is, made in the USA. The juice groove is very well done, even, straight all the way around. There does have a little tuft here in the corner, but that's not uncommon with juice groove cutting. So only 1 out of 4, that's not bad. The grain on this one's very nice, as black walnut usually is. Smooth, well sanded. Yeah, very nice. We're looking at about a 1/2 to 3/4 inch, somewhere in there. And it's 11 by 17. Medium weight, I would say not super heavy, but not super light to feel like it's flimsy either. Very solid. So there you go. That's the overview on that. Let's take a look at the other stuff here. Okay, taking a look at care and maintenance. You just follow these steps, it says, and you'll get a lifetime of use out of this thing. The first thing you see is oil, oil, and more oil. That's true. Any kind of wood surface that you're going to be cutting on or preparing food on, serving tray, you want to oil it up really good. You oil it, you could go once a day for a week and let it, because it'll soak it up. And then once it gets it where it won't take anymore, you put it on. You still get little shiny spots that haven't soaked in good. You know you're getting close. Give it a day and throw in another shot. Then you could throw a little, just a wax or beeswax on it. You want to use food-safe oils, obviously. And then hand wash. You don't want to submerge or never put a cutting board in the dishwasher. That's a recipe for disaster. So yeah, there you go. Most of the time, just if you're doing light, dry work, onions, carrots, whatnot, you can just wipe it off with a rag and then you're pretty well done. It's sealed up pretty well and you're pretty safe. When you're cutting your meats and your stuff, then you want to get a little more soapy dishwater. There you go. But yeah, that's a beautiful board. It's well constructed, made in the USA. Yeah, these beautiful black walnut trays, you could use them for a cutting board, sure, but what about a serving tray? You want to impress your guest, you throw a T-bone on there with a baked potato, side of some Brussels sprouts or what have you. You've got a beautiful serving plate. That's just about the right size. Gives you enough room. You can have a pretty good meal on there. Cutting board, yeah. Chop your onions, chop your vegetables. Brisket board. You want to put a whole chunk of meat on there and carve it up on your table. Small chicken. Your juice groove keeps all your juices from blowing off the board onto the table. Very nice. Reversible. If you're doing your dry chopping, you don't need the juice groove, use this side. So there you go. A beautiful board, well built. Should last you a lifetime with proper maintenance and care. Oil it up. Keep it out of the dishwasher. You should be good. Virginia Boys Kitchens 11 by 17 cutting board. Thanks for watching.